Cold brew coffee has become a staple for coffee enthusiasts who crave a smooth, refreshing alternative to hot coffee. Known for its rich flavor and lower acidity, cold brew offers a delicious way to enjoy coffee, whether you're on a warm summer day or just prefer a mellower taste. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 cold brew coffees that stand out for their exceptional taste, quality, and unique brewing methods. Number 5. High Brew Coffee, Cold Brew Coffee, Double Espresso, 8 fluid ounces, ready to drink, pack of 12, an elevated cold brew experience. Get twice the caffeine with 12 grams of protein in every serving, triple filtered and slow brewed, bold, smooth flavor, gluten-free, low sugar, low acidity. Number 4. Starbucks Cold Brew Coffee Concentrate, Signature Black, 100% Arabica, multi-serve bottle, 32 fluid ounces, cold brew coffee. The super smooth and delicious Starbucks cold brew coffee you love is easy to make at home with our multi-serve concentrate, perfectly delicious. Our medium roast Starbucks signature black cold brew coffee is smooth with subtly sweet chocolatey notes. It's easy. We've cold steeped our custom blend of coffee into this rich liquid concentrate. So all you have to do is pour concentrate over ice and add water to craft your very own Starbucks iced coffee beverage. Contains, this multi-serve concentrate bottle makes a total of 64 fluid ounces of cold brewed coffee when prepared as directed, recyclable packaging. Starbucks cold brew concentrate multi-serve bottles are fully recyclable. Number 3. Wandering Bear Straight Black Organic Cold Brew Coffee on Tap, Iced Coffee, 96 fluid ounces, extra strong, smooth, unsweetened, shelf-stable, ready to drink, cold brewed coffee, delicious, smooth cold brew coffee, coffee shop quality cold brew coffee at the push of a button. Surprisingly smooth. We are pretty sure this is the best cold brew coffee on the market, stays fresh after opening. Our packaging is designed to keep your cold brew fresh for up to 30 days after you tap the box by. Keeping air and light away from your cold brew, organic, healthy, clean label, just organic Arabica coffee beans and filtered water. Sugar-free, dairy-free, no unnecessary ingredients or additives. Paleo, Whole30, Keto, and whatever lifestyle is in trend compliant, unless there's an anti-coffee lifestyle in the future, but who would do that to themselves? Not you. Extra strong. Our cold brew has 150 milligrams of caffeine per 6 ounces serving. That's 2 espresso shots right there. And you get about 16 glasses of cold brew in the 96-ounce box, shelf-stable. Our cold brew can be kept at room temperatures until after you open it. This means you can buy in bulk and store it. Amazing customer service. Our amazing team of humans stands by everything we make. If you have any issues or questions, please email us or get in touch through our website, and we'll make it right. Number 2. Busy Organic Cold Brew Coffee, Smooth Sweet Blend, Coarse Ground Coffee, Micro-Sifted Specialty Grade 100% Arabica 1lb, Coarse Ground Coffee optimized for cold brew, micro-sifted and crafted for cold brew. Brew your cold brew your way, certified USDA organic and kosher, 100% organic Arabica coffee from Central and South America, medium roast, with sweet, caramel, and hazelnut flavor notes. Number 1. Jave Coffee Concentrate, Cold Brew Coffee, perfect for instant iced coffee, cold brewed coffee and hot coffee, 35 servings, caramel, premium Arabica coffee. Our coffee concentrates are made with 100% natural Arabica coffee that is ethically and sustainably sourced from farms all over the world. Each sip promises the experience of freshly brewed ice or hot coffee, without any bitterness or acidic aftertaste. Enjoy the taste of pure, ultra-smooth coffee in every sip. Quality ingredients. Indulge in a healthier coffee experience with our thoughtfully crafted coffee concentrates, a delicious alternative to conventional coffee shop beverages. Our concentrates are brewed using premium Arabica beans, purified water, and natural flavors, free from sugar, artificial additives, fillers, and preservatives. Customizable taste. With just a teaspoon, experience the power of 80 milligrams of caffeine, mirroring the strength of a standard cup of coffee, while maintaining a consistent and delightful flavor profile. Select from our 5 delicious flavors and enjoy them in both iced and hot variations. With Java Coffee, the possibilities are endless. From cold brews to lattes, cappuccinos, cocktails, and more. Unleash your creativity and customize your coffee experience just the way you like it. Insane value. Each bottle contains up to 35 servings of coffee concentrate, which is 3x more servings than our competitors. With Java Coffee, you're only spending less than $1 per cup, meaning you get to enjoy premium specialty coffee every day without breaking the bank. Amazing customer service. We are confident you will enjoy our 100% natural coffee concentrate. If you encounter any concerns or have any inquiries, please reach out to us, and we promise to resolve any issue promptly and completely, ensuring your satisfaction every time.